The diagram shows a sketch of the graph of y equals f of x. The graph passes through the points -2, 0, 4, 0, and has a maximum point at 1, 3. Sketch the graph of y equals -3 f of x plus 2, indicating the coordinates of the stationary points and the coordinates of the points of intersection of the graph with the x-axes. So here's a sketch then of what we've got so far. We need to sketch this function here, f of x plus 2. Here's f of x. So when you put this value here, f of -2 is 0, isn't it? For this to be a value of -2 in here, we'd need x as -4. So when x is -4 then, we'll get f of -2 value, which is 0. So that point is moved backwards too. So we're shifting back a distance of 2, aren't we, across the x-axis? So we can put those points in. So let's choose a different colour then and put them in properly. So this is at -4, 0. This one is at 2, 0. Shifting back 2. So that's what we do horizontally then. And we just move this curve back. But we're scaling it by a factor of 3. And it's a minus, so we're turning it upside down. So instead of it being 1, 3, it scales back to -1, 3, and then it goes negative, doesn't it? -1, 3, down to -9, because we're scaling by the height of a factor of -3. Times this, 3 is -9. So we've got -1, shift back 2, and then -9. So the curve is very much stretched by a factor of 3, and then flipped upside down. So let's draw that in there. So it's the same. That's an N-shaped curve, so this will be a U-shaped curve. So I'm going to try and draw it as best I can then, with the digital pen. So I'll use dashed lines if that's okay. So we're coming down quite steeply through here. We're going to turn, a turn, and then we're coming back up. So I'm going to try and draw this line here, probably easier to do. And then we turn. So I'm going to just try and improve this a bit. Then we turn here, don't we? Let's try and draw that a bit more better. A bit more better, that makes sense. There we are. A little bit better anyways. Whoops. This needs improving, but generally speaking it's the U-shaped curve, is the characteristic shape of it, with the coordinate points indicated, this being the minimum here. So this is y equals -3 f of x plus 2.